Hello everybody, today we will be unboxing Optimus Prime. Ooh. So he can ride Grimlock. So let's get up to unboxing. I am Wolverine. Wolverine, go away. Now let's unbox. Let's unbox. I'm just scared.
I got a sword.
Let's really see if he has a sword. And I have a lot. Now let's get going. Da 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 da. Now let's get going. Woohoo! Oopsies. I ripped up the instructions. Whoa, look at that. That is sick. Oh, that one was stuck a bit. Whoa. Look at that baby. So now, let's get building.
Do I have to do this?
Yes. So good, so you can make Gridlock. But he's a dinosaur, a robot dinosaur. That's scary. But you're a prime. So, I don't care about a prime. I'm scared. Hey, you knocked the camera. Sorry, camera. So subscribe, like, leave in the comments what you think, and ask me if you want me to build it. And we can have a little play at the end. Here's Grimlock and Optimus.
Hey, that hurt. Oh, I'm wobbling. Can't get out. Ah! You're tasty. I'm metal. I'm metal too.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
You got really bad voice, dinosaur.
I didn't have a mint yet. I'm good. Thanks for watching. That's better.
Can you share? Thank you for watching.